Hello there, Josie here from Phinest Laya. Today has been an interesting day. The weather started being gloomy, cloudy, and about to seem to be going to rain. But then the sun came out, it became sunny, and it was just beautiful. So my husband and I went for a walk, enjoyed the spring weather. It was cool enough to walk in the sun. We saw a lot of blooming trees and flowers everywhere. All kinds of insects flying around, enjoying the spring weather. We arrived at the house and walked in the garden and admired the trees, the blooming trees and the flowers. But then it started again to be gloomy, and now the sun just came out, so I don't know what is going on. The weather is playing tricks on us today. But anyway, I decided to make a cup of green tea with Tulsi. Tulsi is such a versatile herb, and along with green tea, it's just a perfect combination to enjoy for an afternoon. As we know, Tulsi means holy basil. It is Tulsi is a term in Sanskrit. It is an herb that has been used as an Ayurvedic medicine for many thousands of years. This herb is an important herb in the in spiritual ceremonies in countries like India and its subcontinent. But it has been used as a herb to treat different ailments. It is an antimicrobial herb, and it is also an herb that reduces stress because of its cortisol, contains cortisol properties. So for today, I am going to make a cup of Tulsi with green tea for myself this afternoon. My husband is on an errand today, delivered some garden furniture to the resource center. So let's begin to make our Tulsi green tea today. In front of us here are our teas. We're going to combine the green tea and the Tulsi. This is about 2 teaspoons each, and we're going to put it into our teapot here. The water has been boiled and left to cool down a little bit, so we are ready to put together our Tulsi green tea. Put in our green tea and the Tulsi. Pour our hot water. There we go. And we're going to steep it for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, we are ready to serve our tea. It's aromatic. You can smell the Tulsi. Look at the color. So beautiful, pale yellow. Going to pour our tea now. There you have it. It is so fragrant. So nice. Taste is so pleasant. You know, in places where tea, this Tulsi tea is widely consumed, it is used as a beverage to unwind. So if you are feeling a little bit stressed or under the weather, try some Tulsi tea. It might help. Cheers. You take good care, you stay healthy, and see you again next time. Bye from me.